Yes, hello everyone. Welcome to SwiftLearn, India's most sincere learning destination for class 1 to 10. In SwiftLearn, we have 100% live and interactive classes. Personalized attention will be given to each and every student where the maximum batch size is 6 students. A dedicated academic mentor will be allotted to track and work on your progress. We also cover syllabus as per your school examination schedule. And also we handle custom requests. Our key features is we provide you with a detailed progress report card on monthly basis. Students can take Swift Learn Academic Test Series, a scholarship exam conducted every Monday from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. Students can take unlimited practice tests, and all the practice tests are subjective as well as objective for your school examination. So, students, those who are new, book a free trial class today. Also, don't forget to subscribe our channel, hit the icon so that you'll never miss any update. I'm Shashank sir, and today I'll be teaching you the second part of the topic factors and multiples. So today's objective will be going to learn properties of factors and multiples. We're going to learn about the prime numbers and composite numbers. We're going to learn about even numbers and odd numbers. We are going to learn about the test for divisibility of various numbers. So all these things we are going to learn in our today's class. So in the previous class, we learned about the factors and multiples. Okay, based on that, let us solve few problems. Write all the factors of 70. So the factors of 70 are, okay, so 1 is there, 70 is there, okay, 2 is there, 35 is there, cannot divide by 3, cannot divide by 4, 5, 5 ones are 5, 5 fours are 20. Yes. And can we divide by 7? Yes. 7 into 10 is 70. Now the later number is 10. So this numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 are all the factors of 70. Okay. Write the first 7 multiples of 6. Okay. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24, 6 fives are 30, 6 six are 36, 6 sevens are 42. These are the first 7 multiples of 6. Yes. Let's move on to the new topic, properties of factor. Okay. So what are the properties of factor? Okay. The first property is 1 is a factor of every number. Okay. There are so many numbers here in this example 7, 8, 4, 24, 37. So 1 will be factor of every number. Okay. Itself will be also a factor, okay, of its number. So 1 is a number which is a factor of every numbers. Yes. So now let's check the properties of factor. Okay, the number of factors are finite. Okay, the factors are finite. The word finite means you can count. Okay, you take any number, okay, you can count. See, the 7 is having 2 factors, 8 is having 4 factors, 24 is having 8 factors. A number may have 100 factors, 1000 factors, 1 lakh factors, but ultimately you can count. Okay, that is the meaning of the word finite. Okay, so every number is a factor of itself. Yes, 7 is a factor of itself, 8 is a factor of itself, 24 is a factor of itself. Every factor exactly divides its number. Yes, all the factors exactly divides its number. Yes, now compare factors. Let us compare factors. Every factors is less than or equal to the given number. Okay, all the factors will be less than or equal to the given numbers. Okay, so these are some properties of factors. Properties of multiples. Okay, so yes, now let's check the properties of multiple. The number multiples of a given numbers are infinite. A number can have infinite multiples. You can multiply a number with any infinite numbers. You get infinite multiples. So this is the property. Factors are finite, multiples are infinite. Every multiple of a given number is greater or equal to than that number. Yes. In factors, it is equal to or smaller. Here it is greater or equal to. Next. Okay. So these are So every number is a multiple of itself. Yes, so these are few properties of multiples and factors. Now write the first six multiples of 7. So yes, it is 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49. These are the multiples. 6 is a multiple of 7. Okay, so no, it starts with 7. Okay, so multiples are always greater or equal to that number. So it is false. Right, multiples of 8 up to 100. We have already done this in the previous class. 8, 16, 24, 32, 50, 48, 56, 64. 8 nines are 72. 8 tens are 80. 8 elevens are 88. 12 eights are 96. Khatam. These are all the multiples of 8 up till 100. Okay, so it is restricted till 100. If you like keep on increasing, it will add. That's why a number has infinite multiples. Write the first 7 multiples. Okay, these are the answers which we just now solved. Okay, so now let us learn about prime numbers and composite numbers. What are prime numbers? Prime numbers are special numbers greater than 1 that have exactly two factors which are 1 and themselves are prime numbers. Okay, definition, prime numbers are special numbers greater than 1. It should be greater than 1. We can't take 1. Okay, that have exactly two factors. Okay, for example, the number 2. 2 has only two factors, which is 1 and 2. 3 is having only one factors, which is 1 and 2. Whereas 4, it is having 1, 2 and 4. So this is not a prime number. 5 is having only 1 into 5 and 5 into 1. 6 is having the factors 1, 2, 3 and 6. So this is not 11. 1 into 11, only two factors. So this is a prime numbers. Okay, so mostly except to all prime numbers are odd numbers. Okay, yes. So what is a composite number? A composite number is a number, natural number. Okay, or a positive integer which has more than two factors. Okay, so should have more than two factors. For example, we took 4. 4 is having more than two factors. It is a composite number. 6 is a composite number. 14 is a composite number. So it should have more than two factors. 1 is a prime number or a composite number. You may ask me this, sir, like 1, is it a prime number or composite number? So 1 is neither a prime number nor a composite number. Okay, it is something else. It is 1. So even and odd numbers. Okay, what are even numbers? The numbers which are exactly divisible by 2 are even numbers, or the numbers which are ending with 2, 4, 6, 8, 0 are even numbers. Okay, so examples are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. 2 के जो भी tables में आता है numbers, those are even numbers. What are odd numbers? The numbers which are not divisible by 2, not exactly divisible by 2, are odd numbers. Okay, numbers which are not ending with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 are odd numbers. Okay, so let's guess some prime and composite number. Number 3. 3 is a prime number which is having only two factors. 6. Remember, all even numbers are composite numbers, so ये composite है. 7 is having only two factors. It is prime number. 11 is a prime number. 13 is a prime number. 15. 15 is having more factors. It is a composite. 16 even है. Composite, composite, composite. 79 is having only the two factors, which is 1 and 7. You may ask me, sir, how many prime numbers are there? If you ask me like this, the answer will be infinite. You may ask me how many prime numbers are there from 1 to 100. So yes, that is a question which we can answer. We need to check and we need to tell. That can be done. That is easy. Okay. So write all the prime numbers between 10 to 20. चलो हमने 100 तक बोला था. They are asking must be 10 to 20. Okay. So 11 is a prime number. 12 is a even number. 13. Okay. 14, 15, 16, 17 or 19. These are all the prime numbers between this. 1 is a prime number, false, because 1 is neither prime nor composite. Okay, list prime even numbers. The only prime number which is even is 2. Right, 7 consecutive composite numbers which are less than 100. Okay, that is no prime number between them. Okay, so write consecutive 7 prime numbers. Okay, so first list में तो नहीं है, so 91. Okay, this is a prime number. 92, 93, 94, 95, 96. What about 97? Can we divide 97? No. So how many we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. जब 5 आ गया, 97 is a prime number. Okay, so not this. What about 81? 80 is a prime number, composite number. 81, 82, 83, 83. What about 83? 8, 9, 10, 11. 83 is a prime number. Okay, ये नहीं हो सकता. So yes, there may be something which we need to check. Okay, like make a list of 1 to hundreds, cancel all the prime numbers and check. Okay, so let's move on to the new test, new topic, divisibility of a number. Okay, so 54 is divisible by 9 or not? Okay, so 9 5s are 45, 9 6s are 54. Yes, this is a smaller number, so you know the tables, you told it. 69 is divisible by 9. Okay, so 4 1s are 4, and you are left with 29. 4 7s are 28. No, we are having a remainder, it is not divisible. But how to quickly calculate and tell them without doing the actual division? Okay, so yes, we can use the divisibility test. So have you noticed the multiples of 10? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 750, 800. So multiples of 10 are always ending with 0. Okay, so if a number needs to be divisible by 10, the last number should be 0. Then only it is divisible by 10. So 900, is it divisible by 10 or not? Yes, it is divisible. This is also divisible. This is also divisible. Last one ending is not 0, so it is not divisible by 10. Okay, so have you ever noticed the multiples of 5? Okay, so yes, the multiples of 5 are always ending with 5 0. Okay, so 15 10, 15 20, 50 95, 85, they're always ending with 5. Okay, so yes, so every multiple of 5 have 0 or 5 in the ones place. Okay, so number to be divisible by 5, it should either end with 0 or 5. 756 ending number is 6, not divisible by 5. This is divisible by 5, divisible by 5, divisible by 5, divisible by 5. Yes, so divisibility by 2 is easy. The ending number should be a multiple of 2. Okay, it should come in tables of 2. It should end with 0 2 4 6 8. It is divisible by 2. Ending with 6, multiple of 2 hai, divisible, not divisible, divisible, not divisible, divisible. Okay, yes, divisibility by 3. Okay, now what you need to do is add both the numbers. So 12 is an example. I added, I got 3. Is it a multiple of 3? Yes. So it is divisible. 18. Add 1 plus 8. 1 plus 8 is 9. Is 9 a multiple of 3? Yes. So it is divisible by 3. Now let us check 5, 3, 4. Add them all. 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. 12 is a multiple of 3. So it is divisible. Okay, whereas 56, 5 plus 6 is 11. 11 is not a multiple of 3, so it is not divisible. Few more examples is 21. 2 plus 1 is 3, divisible. 3 plus 1 is 4, not divisible. 31 is not divisible by 3. Okay, so let us check the divisibility by 3. So add 1 plus 6 plus 7. How much did you get? 1 plus 6 plus 7 is equal to 14 is equal to 5. Not divisible. So 6 plus 7 plus 5, 18, divisible by 3. 17, not divisible. 1, 2, 3, 5. 5, 10, 11. Not divisible. 9, 10, 11, and 12. Divisible by 3. Add all the numbers, check whether it is a multiple of 3, then only it is divisible. Yes. Now, let us play this quiz before ending the chapter. Okay. So, the quizzes and all, okay, we are updating them. So, yes. So, moving on. So, what did we learn today? We learned about the prime numbers, composite numbers, even numbers, odd numbers, properties, and how to check the divisibility test. So yes, students, those are new, subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon so that you will never miss any update. I am Shashank sir signing off. Bye bye. Have a nice day, everyone.